Let's take a look at strategy talk as cultural manifestation. Ideas and talk about the notion of strategy in itself can be seen as cultural manifestations. Talk of strategy in the business world is of relative recent origin and has expanded rapidly and spread widely in the organizational world. The inclination is to express more and more concerns as strategic. Being strategic then becomes a symbol of what counts. All too often, however, such grandiose facades only serve to mask a decidedly less glamorous reality. Many aspects of corporate strategies, as conveniently defined, may also be interpreted as expressing a somewhat bold view holding a firm grip over management thinking. The idea is that explicit strategies should be thought out before they're implemented. Critics of this idea view it as something that can control organizational resources, promote inflexibility, and separate thinking from acting. A more collectively oriented view takes into account cognition and feelings, analysis, and action.